Hi friends, today I want to share with you my new reptile cage. It's this one right here, came in this beautiful box that you can see. This reptile cage is excellent if you have lizards, snakes, spiders, or some exotic pet like that, and you need a secure cage to your pets. This is perfect for that. Let me show you. The material of this reptile cage help you to have your pets inside of a secure mode because this door help to not open it by your pets. So it's so hard to open, and you can be yes, contents. The reptile cage came with this lamp that help you to maintain the temperature inside of your reptile cage. You can put your lamp in any surface with this and have the light of your lamp. I'm gonna put it in the energy. So have this thing so you can control the intensity of the light, and that help you to control the temperature of the cage. Feels warm, and this will help your pets to be comfortable inside the cage. So came with this decoration too for your reptile cage, and this one that is for water or food for your reptiles. With this that you can use to put some decoration inside, like mushroom or something like that, of the food if you want it. And this accessory that is a thermometer that can help you to know the exactly temperature inside the cage, so you can be sure of the temperature inside, and that helps you to take care correctly of your pets. So in this part have this that is the door of the reptile cage, and have this ventilation mode here and around in this part, so the flow of the air will be perfect for your pets. So I'm going to show you how to use it. I'm going to use this river stones that I just buy in Amazon too. These are white, and I think that'll look beautiful inside the. So look at that. I'm gonna put my recipient for water or food here, and the cave this side, and the thermometer you can put it in any part of your reptile cage. I'm gonna put it here by now, but you can put it in any part of the reptile cage when you can see it clearly. And the lamp, you can adjust the lamp this way, so you can put it here. You can put this in another surface, but the reptile cage look like this. And ready, as you can see, it's so fácil to use, so easy to use. Dije fácil, bueno, as you can see, it's so easy to use, and your reptiles or pets will be secure inside, and you can see it perfectly and take care of them in the good mood. So I highly recommend this reptile cage. See you.